Quicken Classic Canada Review Full Guide. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a full review of Quicken Classic Canada and its features. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is what Quicken Classic offers in Canada. Over here, Quicken Classic is a personal finance software that provides budgeting, expense tracking, and investment management tools. After that, it comes in three versions: Deluxe, Premier, and Home and Business, each designed for different financial needs. Now, moving on to key features. Over here, Quicken Classic offers budgeting and expense tracking tools, allowing users to create budgets, monitor spending, and analyze financial trends. After that, it also includes investment management, helping users track their portfolios and analyze performance. Then, for bill management, users can schedule and track payments, making it easier to manage recurring expenses. After that, reporting and analysis tools provide insights into income, expenses, and overall financial health. Now, let's talk about compatibility and availability. Over here, Quicken Classic is available for both Windows and macOS in Canada. After that, some features such as Quicken Simplify are only available in the US. However, the Canadian version is designed to support Canadian banks and financial institutions. Then, moving on to pricing. Over here, the cost depends on the version you choose. Quicken Deluxe focuses on budgeting and expense tracking. Quicken Premier includes deluxe features plus investment tracking. Quicken Home and Business designed for self-employed individuals and small business owners, combining personal and business financial management. After that, for exact pricing, it's best to check the official Quicken Canada website or authorized retailers. Now, let's talk about user feedback. Over here, users appreciate Quicken Classic for its detailed features and customization options. One long-time user mentioned that Quicken allows them to review their investment portfolio in detail and improve their financial strategy. Then, coming to important considerations. Over here, new users may find a learning curve due to the number of features. After that, Quicken Classic is a paid software, so it's important to assess whether the subscription cost is worth the features. Then, some US exclusive features are not available in Canada, such as Quicken Simplify. Now, coming to the final conclusion. Over here, Quicken Classic is a powerful tool for managing finances in Canada. After that, its budgeting, expense tracking, and investment tools make it a strong choice. Then, if you need detailed financial management, Quicken Classic is worth considering. So that's a full review of Quicken Classic Canada. That's all for this video.